APLD stock analysis and APLD stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to trade and play with Applied Digital stock, especially since we're sitting at $9.47. I'm very open-minded to taking things up and ultimately buying, but what I'm not going to do is just randomly get involved, right? Because I've done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. And especially with APLD, if you have been following any of my previous uploads, like this whole bullishness began right here. I think this is the correct link. It gotta be, bro. Yeah, it was like 8 months ago.
I wanted
the 728. Oh, this is like the top range. So this is the right. We did the video when it was like 4 or something. Yeah, 455. 7th of September last year. And then I got 2 break evens. And on this way up, I made this video when it was $5, which I absolutely cooked on. Like, this is so good. It was 566. And since then, it started pumping. It went to 15. We're in this correction phase where, you know, a little bit of like a medium time frame is where if I see a double break, I'm still looking to take it further up. But like random and blind is not going to be happening. So what I'll do here is show APLD. I have like 52 results in my Discord. So there's like now lack of coverage in my Discord regarding APLD. And that being said, like if you do want to learn my exact play, my formula, and plus you get picks, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people are already getting involved. And unless I see any sort of shift, there's not going to be me talking about longs.